Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about my Greenstalk, what's growing in it, and what I can do to support those plants. Guys, I'm really loving the Greenstalk planter. Mine is a 5-tier planter, and you can see my carrots, they still look beautiful. I've got them on like 4 of the things going around, 3 of them, 4 of them. And then I have 2 here that have Malabar in them. The Malabar's coming out, doing great, but I'm going to need something to support this before long. As you can see, I've got Malabar down here, strawberries, and in the bottom I've got some basil and strawberries. And then we have my tomato plant. This tomato plant here on this side has just went crazy. You can see we still have tomatoes growing in. This is the original plant that was here from the beginning. And I'm going to show you the one on the other side. Actually, this is the same plant. You see it starts down here at the base and comes up. And I've taken a lot of the old limbs off because they've quit producing and all this new came out. I was going to take the whole tomato out, but look at it. And look over here. I actually have a ripe tomato. So look at this tomato plant. I tied it up, but it's still going crazy. Now look at this one. Again, it comes out of the base at the bottom on this side right here. And this one has had about 3/4 of the leaves taken off and limbs, but look at it. It's growing crazy. So I'm going to leave it. It's right at the bloom stage right now. And we're going to see if we have more tomatoes. But I need something to add to my Greenstalk that will help me keep these plants under control. The Malabar and the tomatoes are really going to need some control. So, guys, this is what I've got going on. The carrots will come out shortly. I just keep leaving them. I pull one ever so often. I've not pulled one recently, but they're not very big last month, so I've left them. And they're just continuing to grow. It's time for a feeding. I'm going to be adding some fertilize. These right here, these 3 I think are empty. We're going to be adding something. I've got strawberries down here. I'm not sure what that is. It might be a weed. I planted something, a flower I think, in that one. Then I've got some basil growing in this one, and a strawberry down there, and some Malabar hidden under there. So all but 3, maybe 4 is full, and we're going to add a new plant to those this week. But Greenstalk has come out with a fabulous thing. It is a plant support. Greenstalk last fall did a survey, and on the survey everybody wanted something that was simple, easy, and effective to support their large plants in the Greenstalk. They've been working on a plant support ever since. They've come up with an idea. It attaches to any Greenstalk vertical planter, the 3, 4, or 5 tier. It can be added to an existing Greenstalk garden. It's perfect for growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, pole beans, eggplants, vining plants, and flowers, etc. Each plant support comes with a full ring set that easily snaps together to support one tier of plants. It's made in the USA by the same family that created Greenstalk vertical planter. It also comes with a reusable cloth drawstring bag to store in the winter. You can see that it easily snaps together, and this one has all 5 tiers supported for any vining plants. If you already have existing Greenstalks and you want 1, 2, 3, 4 supports, whatever, you can order them now, pre-order, at $18 a piece. After July 11th, they go up to $24 a piece. So if you're looking for supports, use the link in the description below and order as many supports as you need. If you would like to buy a Greenstalk planter, Greenstalk has a 5-tier vertical planter with the mover, with the 3 of the supports, free shipping anywhere in the US for $199. This is a pre-order sale, so get them now while you can. I love my Greenstalk, and guys, Use the link in the description below if you don't own one and you have a patio or somewhere to put one. Great way to grow. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.